one hand.
Oh, watch it. Tell your brother you're sorry. Whoa, watch it. Don't hit your brother. Come on, buddy.
Hey, that was awesome. Were you hitting it with one hand?
Yeah, it's 2 plus 3. 2 plus 2 is 4.
That's right. Let me see.
And 6.
You were doing really good, weren't you? Look at me. Are you hitting the ball?
Yeah, 1 hand, 2 ball.
Wow.